Alpine A110 R. This much-awaited latest version rounds out the A110 range. Extreme, light, more streamlined, and more inspired by motorsports than ever, radical is the only way of describing the car that now sits as the crowning jewel of the A110 lineup. The ultimate expression of lightness and performance, the Alpine A110 R was designed to be sensational on the racetrack yet still certified for the open road. The first main difference with the A110 R is seen through the extensive work put into reducing its overall weight down to as little as 1,082 kg to 34 kg less than the A110 S. Its aerodynamic performance has been enhanced for greater downforce and reduced drag. For the first time ever on the A110 range, some parts, for example the bonnet, rear window, and diffuser, have been redesigned specifically for the new model. The exclusive improvements made to the chassis, along with the 1.8 liters 300 horsepower motor, and race car interior, feed into the heightened radical feel that make the driving experience more intense than ever before. Taking just 3.9 seconds to go from 0 to 100 km/h, the all-new Alpine A110 R pushes the boundaries of sports cars. Building off the brand's commitment to motorsports, the design phase involved direct input from top-level experts and is more than ready to beat the clock when it takes to the racetrack. Made in France at the manufacturer Alpine Jean Riedel, this latest car marks the beginning of a new chapter for the brand's expertise in motorsports. Aerodynamics inspired by motor racing. The Alpine A110 R's radical expression of sports car performance. At the heart of the car's genesis lies a quest for perfect aerodynamics built off an optimal balance between improved downforce and reduced drag. Straight off the track, a number of features inspired by the world of motor racing have been directly added or adapted to the all-new Alpine A110 R in order to optimize handling at top speed. It benefits from the latest twin-tunnel technology and tools used in Formula One. The new design work put into the rear swan neck spoiler, flat undercarriage, and diffuser, in addition to the full carbon fiber wheels, makes for greater stability around corners and at high speeds. The A110 R boasts greater back-end aerodynamic downforce than the A110 S Aero kit, with an extra 29 kg at top speed, thereby ensuring greater balance when taking fast corners. At the same time, drag has been reduced by 5%. Track attitude, thereby extending the top speed to a record 285 km/h. An adapted aerodynamic balance. In order to improve high-speed stability and performance for the all-new Alpine A110 R on the racetrack, the design phase was guided by a fundamental goal: unlock the vehicle's full potential through an optimal balance between downforce and drag. As such, the front end has been fitted with the same carbon fiber lip as the A110 S, however the air intake valves have been integrated into the front shield, thereby further reducing overall air resistance and improving the car's feasible top speed. The front aerodynamics have been reworked to achieve maximum balance with the new chassis. An optimized diffuser. For a stylish yet technical touch, the diffuser has been redesigned for a bold look and a driving experience like no other. Designed using carbon fiber and fiberglass, the reduced weight is a perfect part of the aerodynamic equation. Now wider than before as it stretches towards the rear, it creates a rapid flow of air through the undercarriage, thereby causing a greater drop in pressure. The vertically positioned side flaps reduce aerodynamic turbulence. Fairing has been added to better isolate the diffuser from disturbances coming from the spinning wheel. Alterations have also been made to the fins, bigger and lower than before. Their shape has been changed to direct airflow towards the diffuser. Lastly, cowlings on the rear suspension arm help augment the effectiveness of the diffuser and flat car bed. Swan neck spoiler mounts. The rear spoiler is fixed atop so-called swan neck mounts that add a sporty look and greater aerodynamic performance. While it has the same shape as the spoiler on the Alpine A110 S, a few features on the all-new A110 R make it unique. Pushed further to the rear, with a smaller incline for a smaller approach angle, it is a key aspect of the car's performance in terms of downforce and optimized drag. The swan neck mounts enhance the spoiler's performance while reducing airlift on its underside. Given its location in a low-pressure environment, it is particularly sensitive to any disturbances that will alter its effectiveness. Brand new side skirts. The Alpine A110 R has been fitted with unique carbon fiber side skirts in order to extend the underbelly out. The larger surface area means there is less turbulence along the car's length as it mitigates undercarriage disturbances. The rear end of the skirts rise up in front of the rear wheel, thereby reducing backdrafts and protecting the rear wheel from the surrounding air. Greater stability guaranteed. Aesthetically, the new skirts connect the front lip with the rear diffusers for a more grounded look. Double-wall exhaust. Alpine engineers and thermodynamics experts also worked on the exhaust. The A110's iconic dual exhaust has been given a 3D printed double wall to isolate exhaust gases and protect other nearby parts. The way it works is simple: the outer wall remains colder than the gases passing through the central exhaust, thus creating a balance between the inside and outside. Lightness, more radical again. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.